Now that may seem like a lot of different information to sort through already, and as with most students doing research, we tend to get overwhelmed, and I don't want you to do that. I want you to use these as resources back before we even enter a search. That question that I asked you to think about, what type of information do I need? What do I need the information to do for me? What value does the information have to the assignment that I am doing? And that will help you decide which is the best type of database to use. So let's come back to this idea that we're information explorers. We're looking for the right information. So we have got an idea of what's out there. We have an idea of what questions we need answered. And now it's time to search. However, we don't want to be the explorer who falls off the cliff or gets injured or gets what I call information overload, but what is commonly what we experience, which is you get frustrated, you get overwhelmed, there's too much information to sift through, etc. So we want to look at information, doing research very thoughtfully again, and that means not clicking the first results that we see. So let's go back to the library website, and instead of going to an individual database, I'm going to do some searching today in our Encompass database. Now Encompass takes what's available in the library, what's available in our ebook collection, our online encyclopedias, our research databases, and puts it all into one search. So it makes it very simple to use. I'm going to enter a topic. So I entered my term in, and immediately I got some results. Okay, and our tendency is to start clicking. Like, this looks like a great result. I'm going to start clicking and reading. However, the first thing I want you to look at is the number of results. So I have almost 500,000 results here, and I'm not going to look through all of them. They're not all going to help me. They're not all going to be relevant to what I need. So before I click on anything, I want this number to be small enough that I won't be overwhelmed by it. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at what I've typed into the search box. Now, before we can really get into research, we have to understand how a search engine works. So remember, a database works just like a search engine. And we are trusting that the search engine, the database, is giving us information on our topic. Unfortunately, that's not how databases are designed. They are designed to look up each term that you enter. So each of these words, my database is looking up. Now, when you use a term or phrase, anything that is 2 or more words that belongs together, if you surround that term with quotations, and this works for every search engine, quotations are actually computer code programmed into every search engine to say, I want these words together in this order. And just by changing my search to put those words in quotation marks, I cut out a huge section of the results that I came across. So make sure when you're searching for a person's name, okay, 2 or more words, dates, places, titles, quotes, or any term that is 2 or more words that belongs together, you're going to put that in quotation marks.